What happens when one person listens to a calling and builds a school that changes hundreds of lives? Hi, I'm Riet from Thrive, and in this special podcast on episode, we visit Ubuvli Christian School, a place where hope is not just spoken about, it is lived every single day. Podcaston is a global movement where podcasters use their platforms to highlight organizations that are making a real difference in the world. And today we are sharing a story that truly deserves to be heard. I sat down with Melanie Prinsloo, the founder of Ubuvli Christian School. What started as a calling on her heart has grown into a school where children receive not only education, but dignity, stability, and the belief that their future can be different. What struck me most in our conversation is that Ubuvli is not built on charity alone. It is built on sustainability, faith, and community. Instead of dependency, they are building systems that empower families and restore hope. This conversation is about courage. It's about obedience to a calling, and it's about building something that will outlive us. If you ever wondered how ordinary people create extraordinary impact, this episode will inspire you. Listen to the full conversation with Melanie Prinsloo of Ubuvli Christian School, part of Podcaston 2026 on Thrive. Because sometimes changing the world begins with simply saying yes.